ExecJet 225 Minneapolis.
Minneapolis, ExecJet 225 is on the ground up at Pellston, Papa Lima, November, looking for clearance over to Quad Cities, Mike Lima, India.
ExecJet 225 Minneapolis on a Roger. You are clear to the Quad Cities Airport. Radar vectors to your first fix, then is filed. Maintain 5,000. Departure frequency 133.4. Squawk 6735.
Alright, ExecJet 225, we're cleared to Quad Cities. Radar vectors are the first on the filed and continue by filed up to 5,000 initially. Departure's 33.4 and we're going to be squawking 6735.
ExecJet 225. Reback is correct. Hold for release. Advise number 1 for departure. Frequency change approved.
We'll call you ready, ExecJet 225.